We have had some incredibly low mileage cars recently. This is outstanding. Porsche Taycan Turbo S on a 2021. This car's done 1,675 miles, just been serviced at Porsche. It's outstanding. You couldn't find another one, and you know, I love this car. Its colour is Neptune Blue. It's got a Crayon interior. It's got the 21-inch Mission E gloss black wheel upgrade, so exterior-wise, it looks absolutely stunning. Carbon fibre exterior as well, matrix light. But the good thing about this car is, obviously it's fully electric, you can charge it, you can run it through a business, it's got benefit in kind, but it's its power. Runs off dual axle, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, air suspension. It drives like a supercar. It's under 3 seconds 0 to 60. It's got over 1,000 Newton meters of torque and 760 brake horsepower. It's a 4-seat supercar, which will have been an absolute fortune brand new. Snap this car up because it'll sell straight away. Options as well, really importantly, 18-way seats. The Crayon interior is stunning. BOSE stereo, glass roof, heated wheel, adaptive cruise, 360 camera. It's also got the 3D surround view camera, passenger display. Big options. And with 1,600 miles on, you could not replicate this car, ever. So get it bought. It's a really good colour as well. I think it suits the car. With the black styling around the windows, the black wheels, it's got the ceramic brakes, or big brakes to brake this car and stop it quickly because of its power. To the rear, obviously LED rear light. Again, Taycan Turbo S badging in gloss black, carbon fibre here, front and rear parking sensors. Like I say, the camera system and assisted tailgate, privacy glass. These are all options. Charging cable in place. Now, this car on a full charge, WLTP figures will go on a full charge 230, 250 miles, depending on how you use the car. It is fully electric. I'll show you how to charge it in a second. Heated rear seats, heated front seats, comfort access. Now, the car has, as a Taycan Turbo S, as standard, dual electric motors, all-wheel steering, air suspension, Porsche active suspension management. So it's a great driver. This is how you charge it. Very cool. Little slip of the finger underneath there, right and left side, and then you can charge the car depending on where you're driving. Electric charging port is. Then the wheels. Now these wheels, Mission E wheels in gloss black, colour crested Porsche centres. Look at the size of these ceramic brakes and look at the size of these yellow braking calipers. It looks stunning throughout. Lighting system, you've got the matrix LED light. Again, very sporty, very wide, and the carbon fibre through the front section and then through the side sills as well along here. Into the rear, I'm going to sit in this car at the back. So easy to get in and out. It is a 4-seater, this one. They do come standard in 4-seat. Heated rear seat, Alcantara. So, you know, this is the top of the range version of the Taycan. So you've got so many great finishes. Sport seats, obviously Alcantara, glass roof. Into the door, you've got BOSE surround, Crayon leather, carbon fibre here. And then Taycan light up entry sills. Like I say, comfort access. But big features on one of these. The seat, 18-way seat, memory seats, driver and passenger. Then we've even got big features as well. Head-up display, passenger display, heated wheel, adaptive cruise control, 1,675 miles. How's that? Lovely. Heated front seats. Now, a big thing about this car as well, because it's sport and performance related and supercar related, it has the electronic sport sound. So it even sounds like, you know, a real aggressive car to drive. Everything's touchscreen. Obviously on this, you've got the passenger display, which shows a multitude of different things, navigation, you've got smartphone integration. But the thing that I like on the camera is you've got reverse camera, surround view, but then, and it's another added extra, it's got the 3D parking view, which is again a paid for option. Stunning. Porsche tracker in place. Just a lovely car. Irreplaceable. What a driver. Like I say, all-wheel steering, air suspension, 4-wheel drive, great colour in Neptune Blue, and an outstanding buy by us. If you're looking for a Taycan, you want an electric car, this is the fastest Porsche electric car you can buy, and it would have been an absolute fortune new, and it's in our showroom now. Give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp, get it secured. Thanks for watching.